Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I will show you how to completely delete app on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Removing unneeded app from your computer frees resources, but some don't do a good job of tidying after themselves when installed. So if you're going to install the program later on, you can leave the remnant of the removed app. That's because future installation of the program could use the data. They don't have to start from scratch. So how to completely delete or uninstall apps or program on your Windows 11, it's very simple. So first, you don't need to install from your apps in here. So don't do that. To completely delete or install, you can search on your search bar in here, Control Panel. This one, you can open it. Select on Programs, Install Programs, Install a program, and from here, you can search for the apps or program that you want to remove, you want to delete. For example, I want to uninstall this program. Wait, still looking for it. So this one, OP Auto Clicker, I want to uninstall it. So you can click right and you'll find there is an option uninstall. You can just select on that. Select on yes. Now there's no more the program in this programs on your control panels. So it means you have successfully uh, uninstalled the program completely from your device. And maybe you can also check on your download if there's still the files. You can just delete it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to completely delete app on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.